Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. I know you all seen a lot of ingredients here one day. What the hell are we going to cook now? Today we're going to cook okra rice with pigtail and smoked pork bones. First we're going to start out by sweating our vegetable ingredients first and our seasoning. So we're going to use a little vegetable oil in our hot pan, add our onions first. Nice. Pimentos. Garlic. Pumpkin. Carrots. And last but not least, our okra. Now, some of you like the okra rice a little slimy or not at all. I like my okra rice with a little extra slime in it. We're going to let it sweat for a little bit and then come back. Right, now that our vegetables are sweat for a little bit, we add the pigtail and smoked bones. Stir that in. I wish you all could smell it. Smells really good. Right, then you add our rice. Right, so you all would have noticed the rice is a little bit wet. I like to wash my rice before I do dishes like these, you know. These one-pot dishes like pilafs, I like to wash the rice. Reason for washing the rice before is to kind of wash off the starchiness of the rice. It kind of helps the rice stay grainy, you know, and you kind of get away from that kind of claddy, starchy finish. Right now we add our coconut milk. Salt and black pepper. And our water. Right, you kind of add the water to kind of just cover all the ingredients. Not too much, but just to cover the ingredients. You would have noticed there's two other ingredients that I haven't yet put in, which is celery and chadon. I like to use those, I like to call those seasonings finishers. Reason being, in my opinion, when we cook with them, you kind of lose the flavor of the chadon and the flavor of the celery. Rather than when you put it at the end, it tends to stay and you tend to taste it a lot more when you use it in the finishing parts of your dish. Right, we cover and let cook for about 30 minutes.